Hello, out and about in the van. Thought I'd show you Parkup. That's the view out the side door. And come out the back. And that's my view. Not a bad back garden, is it? If you have a vans here. Pretty quiet. Not a bad back garden for the night, is it? Just enjoying it. Oh, got a lodger. Little spider. Having a cup of lemon and ginger tea. Very nice. Yeah, this is going to stop here for a couple of days. You can't stop here in winter because the tide comes up and covers the road. In summer it's alright. And seems how we got nice settled weather for the next few days, we'll be safe here. But yeah, that's the Isle of Wight over there. Nice Parkup this. Just a quick little bit on a couple of little updates I've done on the van. I got rid of, I had what do you call it, wood that I found on the beach as little turny things holding the cupboard shut, but they were really rotten quick with the salt content in them, so I replaced them with some powerful magnetic clips that holds everything in. Yeah, also I changed my cooker back to the gas one, which takes the gas canisters. So I've got rid of my gas bottle, which gives me lots more room inside there. But the good thing about this cooker, I was on about changing one that would hold my spirit burners, and this one already does it. And they fit perfectly in there. So I can have 2 spirit burners on there. And I can cook on gas or spirit. Perfect. Look at that. What a cracking sunset. Beautiful. Got myself close neighbours. Nice couple. Spoke to them earlier on. Not bad Parkup. Nice view to wake up to. Right, I'm just going to go down on the beach, do a bit of fishing. See if I can catch myself some late supper. Can't believe I started filming and then got a wet foot straight away. Looks like we're in for a nice sunset. Good morning, people. Woke up to the foghorn going off this morning. It was really foggy. It's just this thick layer of fog going over the salt marshes, which was an awesome sight. You hear that foghorn? Nice alarm clock for you. Still's another beautiful day. A lot of all the motorhomes have gone. Not many people here now. Yeah, peaceful night. Rapidly falling in love with this car park, with this Parkup. It's a great place to stay. Right, let's get some breakfast on the go. Just been outside chatting to a young lad. He's only 21 years old. He's got a Peugeot Expert like this. He's converted himself. Made a lovely job of it. And he's out spending 6 weeks travelling around in it. It sounds like he's having the time of his life. So we just gave him loads of tips on how to get water and good park-ups. He's heading down to Devon and Cornwall. Gave him loads of park-ups down there. Really nice lad. Really enjoying his adventure. Going on about more improvements I'm going to do in the van. I've still yet to do a flip-up table. I want a flip-up table coming here so I can work on my laptop and stuff when I'm in the van. And I'm also going to put an overhead cupboard in there. I'm going to do that in the next couple of weeks to give me extra storage up there. Also, when I'm in the van at night, light does escape down there into the cab, and the cab gets lit up. People can see it, and I did rather this was more stealthy than not, so that would cover that and give me loads more storage up there. So that's my next mission on the van, the table and the cupboards. Going to call it a day there. It's a short vlog, just to let you know I am out and about still enjoying the views. Yeah, hope to see you on the next video. Bye for now.